are expected, the teachers in a particular school are expected to mark their attendance using a fingerprint machine, which is connected to a computer system. The system generates a monthly attendance report. Write down one example for an input and one example for an output of the above information system. So for one example for an input, we can say a fingerprint, and one example for an output, we can say monthly attendance report. Okay, so input, fingerprint, then output, monthly attendance report. Right. Next question, draw a diagram to connect four computers, namely C1, C2, C3, and C4 based on the mesh topology. So in mesh topology, we know each and every computer is connected to each other. Right. Then moving forward to the next question. Consider the following computer ports labeled A to D. Match each of the above ports with the name of the ports given in the following list in the label, this arrow mark port format, right? So this is the format you need to answer the question, right? This is the format you need to use. So you have the ports. So let us see. So A is PS2, B is audio, C is VGA, D parallel. Okay. So A, PS2, right? We have B then next. B, audio, C, VGA, D, parallel. Right. Then moving forward to the next question. Convert 47 base 10 to its binary equivalent. Okay, so we'll see how to do that. So 47 base 10, where it's a decimal number, you need to convert it into binary. 12. So you can write down the final answer as 47 base 10 equal to 1 0 1 1 1 1 base 2, right? Okay. Then moving forward to the next question, you have following is an extract from the ASCII table. Write down the correct octal value replacement for the question mark symbol, right? So simply what you need to do is to convert this binary into octal. And this cluster has only one bit, so you can add two 0 bits at the front. So now here you will get 1, here will be getting 4, and here 1. So the answer will be what? The answer will be 1 4 1 1 4 1. Right, then moving forward to the next question. Draw the logic gate circuit for the following Boolean expression. So you have F equals C bar plus A B bar. Right, we'll see how to draw that. Have F equal C bar plus A B bar A B bar. Right. So let me say A here. B, then C here. So A, then here B. So B bar, right? So we need to have a NOT gate here. So A B bar. So we need to use an AND gate there. A dot B bar. Then C bar we have. Then what you need to do is to add A, B bar and C bar. So you need to use the OR gate. So F will be the final output. Moving forward to the next question. Write down the value of F when A equals 0, B equal 1 and C equal 1. So if A is 0 and B is 1, B is 1 and C is 1. So when B comes to this side, it will be 0 because of the NOT gate. Then C, when it comes to this side, it will be 0 because of the NOT gate. And then here, A you have 0, B here 1 is coming, but due to the NOT gate, it will be 0. Then 0 into 0, here we will be getting 0. Then 0 plus 0, for F, you will be getting the final answer as 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Right. So for that, the answer is 0. So next question, there is a very important software, right? There is a very important software that runs on a computer. It manages various resources of the computer. It also lets the users communicate with the computer. This particular software coordinates and fulfills the requirements of all processors with respect to their central processing unit, CPU, memory, and storage needs. What is the specific software referred to in the above paragraph? So, what is the software? That is operating system. That is operating system. Right. So, let us write down the answer. Operating system. And they are asking give one example for it. Give one example for it. So we can say Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows, right. Then moving forward to the next question. The following table shows some of the icons labeled A to D of the Audacity audio editing software. So you have A, B, C, D. Identify the suitable description for each of the icons A to D from the description list numbered 1 to 6, right? You have here, write down each icon label and its corresponding description number in label number format, right? This is the format, label number format. So for A, what is this one? For A, this is record. So A, the answer must be 2. Then B, what is B? B is play. B is play. So for B, the answer will be 6. B. Then C is trim audio. C is trim audio. So number will be 1. So C 1. Then D is stop. So number is 4. So D is stop. D is stop. So 4. 4. For D, the number is 4. Right. Then moving forward to the next question. Match the description labeled P to S with the correct terms from the list of terms given below, and write down the relevant term against each label in the label term format. So you have P used for electronic mail exchange among mail servers on the internet. So for P, the answer is going to be SMTP, right? Then Q provides access to the software installed in the cloud. So what is the answer for that? SaaS, right? Then R, folder to store mails that are composed to be sent but not completed yet. What is that? Draft. For R, the answer will be draft. Then S used to uniquely identify a computer on the internet. We know the answer is IP address. So now let us write down the answers. So for P, the answer for P is going to be SMTP. Q, SaaS, R, draft, S, IP address. IP address. So we are done with that. So now let us move on to the next question. The following algorithm is used to select players for a rugby pool. The selection is done based on the height, weight, and age of the player. The age, height, and weight of 3 candidates are given below. So they have given those details. Okay. So write down the names of all players who are qualified for the pool. So let us see. Now, Nirmal, the age is 21. Now look here. Is 21 greater than or equal to 21? 21 is not greater than to 21, but 21 is equal to 21. Therefore, here it will be 1. The condition is satisfied. And you need to check whether the height is greater than or equal to 160. So here the height is 159. It is not greater to 160, and at the same time it is not also equal to 160. So here 0, and you need to check whether the weight is greater than or equal to 70. So here the weight is 71. 71 is greater than 70. Therefore, you are fulfilling that condition. So here 0 plus 1 means 1. Then 1 and 1, so 1, so output will be what? Qualified for the port. Qualified for the port. So Nirmal is qualified for the port. So now let us check for the Rajiv. Rajiv. Rajiv, age is 36, so is 36 greater than 21 years. Then height is 165, so is 165 greater than 160 years. And here may be 0 or 1, here may be 0 or 1. It doesn't matter. Why? Here we are saying oh, so if this is 1, however, so 1 and 1 means 1. Therefore, Rajiv also will be qualified for the poll. Okay. Then let us see Salim, whether Salim is qualified. So Salim age is 25, which is greater than 21. So here 1, and height is 150. So 150 is not greater than 160, and also 150 is not equal to 160. So 0, and weight is 69. So 69 is not greater than 70, and also 69 is not equal to 70. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 1 and 0 means 0. Therefore, Salim is not qualified. So write down the names of all players who are qualified for the poll. So who are the people who are qualified? Nirmal, and Rajiv. Right. So moving forward to the next question. Write one recommendation to avoid computer vision syndrome. So write down one recommendation to avoid the computer vision syndrome, CVS. So here we can say take regular breaks, right? Take regular breaks. Take regular breaks. Then next question, write down one proper method. Write down one proper method for electronic waste, e-waste management. So we can say reduce. So there are reduce, reuse, recycle. So they're asking one. So reduce. And then write down two advantages of computerized database management system. Write down two advantages of computerized database management system, DBMS. So we can say more efficient in retrieving information, and also we can say another one as easy to obtain copies. So second one we can say as easy to obtain copies. Right.